best online business to make $10,000 per month for beginners. Sounds like clickbait, right? But here's the truth. There are few real online business ideas that actually make money, and you don't need a degree and office or years of experience to start. In fact, some of the most profitable online businesses today are built by one person, working from home, using simple strategies, even AI tools. So if you have been searching for best online business for beginners or wondering how to make money online with no experience, this video is going to give you clarity. But here's what makes this different. I'm not just listing random ideas. I'm breaking down real ways to make money online from home, ranking them based on beginner potential, and sharing what actually works from experience. Now the real question is, which one is right for you? Let's break it down. If you are new here, I'm building one-person business around content, affiliate marketing, and smart systems that actually generate income online without needing a team or huge investment. Over time, I have personally explored multiple online business ideas for one person, including blogging, YouTube, and affiliate marketing, and I have seen what works, what doesn't. So in this video, I'm not just sharing theory. I'm breaking down the best online businesses for beginners based on a real experience, including the models I use to make money online from home. And by the end, you will clearly understand which path fits you best, especially if you're starting with no experience. Before we jump into the list, I want to show you exactly how I ranked these online business ideas, because not every opinion you see online is actually beginner friendly or realistic. I used 4 simple criteria. First, beginner friendly, meaning you can even start if you have no experience. Second, low startup cost, ideally under $100 or $250 or even free. Third, a realistic path to make $10,000 per month, not just a theory, but something that actually works in the real world. And fourth, scalability, meaning this can grow into a long-term one-person online business. I will also point out the number one mistake beginners make with each model, so you don't waste time going in the wrong direction. We are going to cover 7 of the most profitable online businesses, and at the end, I will tell you exactly which 3 I personally recommend based on a real experience. The first online business idea, freelancing. And honestly, the fastest way to make money online as a beginner is freelancing. Freelancing is simply offering skill as a service online. This could be writing, graphic design, video editing, or even web development. If you have been searching ways to make money online from home without experience, this is usually the easiest place to start. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even reaching out to LinkedIn can help you land your first client. And the best part is you only need a laptop and one skill to get started. Now realistically, you can start earning within weeks, but reaching $10,000 per month usually requires building a strong client base or increasing your rates over time. The biggest mistake beginners make here is undercharging and trying to do everything instead of focusing on one niche. Freelancing is great for fast cash, but let's move to a model that's more scalable. Business model 2, affiliate marketing. Next is one of the most popular and most searched models, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products and earning commissions when someone buys through your link. This is one of the best online business models for beginners because you don't need to create your own product. You can start on platforms like YouTube, a blog, TikTok, or Instagram, all powerful ways to build an audience and make money online from home. Popular beginner-friendly affiliate platforms include Amazon Associate, CJ Affiliates, and Share a Sale. Now let me talk numbers. To reach $10,000 per month, you could promote products that pay $50 commissions and make 200 sales per month, which is very achievable with the right content, and realistically it takes around 3 to 9 months to start seeing meaningful income. The biggest mistake beginners make is promoting too many products without building trust or an audience first. And this is actually one of the models I personally use. I will explain more about that later. Business model 3, digital products. The third model is one of the most profitable online businesses, selling digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, templates, presets, online courses, or even Notion dashboards. The biggest advantage, you can create it once and sell it over and over again. This is one of the best ways to make passive income online, especially beginners who want long-term scalability. You can sell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Pipe, or even your own website. In 2026, high-demand products include AI prompt pack, Canva templates, or beginner-friendly online courses. To reach $10,000 per month, it's all about volume and positioning. For example, selling $20 product to 500 people per month. The biggest mistake beginners make is creating a product before validating demand. So always test your idea before building. Now let's look at a model that requires zero inventory. Business model 4, print on demand. Print on demand is one of the easiest business ideas for beginners, especially if you are creative. This model allows you to sell custom design products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or your wall art without holding any inventory. When someone orders, the product is printed and shipped automatically. You can use platforms like Printful combined with Etsy or marketplaces like Redbubble. Tools like Canva and AI design tools make it easier than ever to create designs quickly. To reach $10,000 per month, you need winning designs in a specific niche, not just random products. The biggest mistake beginners make is creating generic designs without targeting a clear audience. If you do it right, this can be a great semi-passive income stream. Now let's move to a long-term income model. Business model 5, blogging. Blogging is often underestimated, but it's still one of the most powerful ways to build a one-person online business. And no, blogging is not dead. It has simply evolved with SEO and AI. You know both terms in my previous videos, search engine optimization and artificial intelligence. A blog is essentially a website where you create content around a specific niche, and over time, it attracts traffic from search engines. There are multiple ways bloggers make money: through display ads using platforms like Google AdSense or using premium ad networks like MediaBuy or AdThrive. You can also earn through affiliate marketing by recommending products, selling your own digital products, or even sponsored posts. Popular beginner niches include personal finance, health, travel, and food. To start, you only need a domain name and hosting, usually around $50 to $100 per year. Now let's be real. Blogging takes time. It can take 60 to 18 months to take results. It may be 2 years, it depends on you. But once it grows, reaching $10,000 per month is very realistic with around 100,000 month visitors, combining ads and affiliate income. The biggest mistake beginners make is not focusing on one niche. And blogging is something I personally do. I will explain why soon. Business model 6, social media marketing agency, SMMA. Next is a high income business model. Starting a social media marketing agency, also known as SMMA, this means managing social media accounts for businesses, creating content or running ads and helping them grow online. In 2026, businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their online presence, which makes this one of the most profitable online businesses right now. Even if you have no experience, you can land your first client through cold outreach or by offering a free trial. Services can include content creation, ad management, and scheduling posts. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you charge just $2,000 per month per client, you only need 5 clients to reach $10,000 per month. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to serve everyone instead of focusing on one industry, like real estate, fitness, or restaurants. This model requires effort, but the income potential is very high. Now let's move to one of the fastest. Business model 7, YouTube automation, Faceless YouTube. One of the most trending ways to make money online right now is YouTube automation, also known as Faceless YouTube. This means creating YouTube videos without showing your face, often using AI tools or outsourcing parts of the process. Popular niches include finance, health, motivation, and tech, all high-demand content areas. You can use tools like ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Canva for thumbnails. Now, realistically, this takes consistency. It may take a few months to start earning, maybe years. It depends on you. But once a channel grows, hitting $10,000 per month is very achievable. The biggest mistake beginners make is copying viral videos instead of building a real strategy. And honestly, YouTube is one of my personal favorites. I will explain exactly why in the next section. Alright, let's quickly compare all these online business ideas so you can see clearly which one fits you best. Freelancing has almost zero startup cost, and it's the fastest way to make money online, usually within 1 to 4 weeks, but it depends on your skills. Affiliate marketing and YouTube automation takes longer, around 3 to 9 months, but they have very high income potential and perfect if you want to build a scalable one-person online business. Digital products and print on demand also have low startup costs and can generate income within a few months, especially if you target the right niche. Blogging is more of a long-term game. It can take 6 to 18 months, but the income ceiling is very high, and SMMA can't generate income quickly, usually within a few weeks, with a strong earning potential if you land clients. So here's how to choose. If you already have a skill, freelancing or SMMA is your fastest path. If you enjoy writing, blogging and digital products are great options. If you like creating content, affiliate marketing or YouTube is ideal. And if you're more creative, print on demand could be a perfect fit. Now let me show you what I personally recommend. Now before you choose any of these online business ideas, there's one mistake that stops most beginners from ever making real money online, and that's constantly switching from one model to another model, what people call shiny object syndrome. 1 week it's freelancing, next week dropshipping, then affiliate marketing, and nothing actually works because you never stay consistent long enough. If you really want to build a profitable online business, especially as a one-person business, business, you need to follow a simple rule. Commit to one model for at least 90 days. Focus, learn, take action, and measure results before switching. Because at the end of the day, consistency beats strategy, hoping every single time, especially if you are trying to figure out how to make money online with no experience. Now, I promise you at the beginning that I would share what I personally recommend based on real experience. So here it is. Out of all the options, the best online business for beginners, in my opinion, is a combination of blogging, YouTube, and affiliate marketing. I choose blogging because it builds a long-term SEO asset that works for you 24/7. Every article you publish keep bringing in traffic and income over time. It's one of the most reliable ways to make money online from home, even if you are starting with no experience. Then there's YouTube. It's one of the most powerful platforms right now for building trust. People can see your content, hear your voice, and connect with you, which makes it easier to grow and monetize. And finally, affiliate marketing ties to everything together. You are not creating products, you are simply recommending useful tools or services and earning a commission. It's one of the most profitable online business models when I combine it with content. Here's what most people miss. These three are not separate. Together they create a system. Your blog brings traffic, your YouTube builds connection, and affiliate marketing turns that into income. So now you have seen it. The best online business to make $10,000 per month for beginners isn't just one option. It's choosing the right path and committing to it. We covered some of the most profitable online businesses, real online business ideas that make money, and practical ways to make money online from home, even if you are starting with no experience. Now it's your turn. Pick one model that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your goals, and go all in. If you are still confused about where to begin, I highly recommend watching my video on how to start a one-person business, where I break down the exact steps to build a foundation. And if you want the real truth about this journey, watch my video on the truth about making money online for beginners. It will save you months of mistakes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more content on the best online businesses, so how to do in online business with the support of AI, and also how to run a one-person business for beginners. And I will see you in the next one.